Okay, so to invite our friends from our own server, we click on the three little buttons on the side here. And then we can press the little button at the bottom, right here with the little guys. And then click at the top right to add friends. And then here we can add our friends by their ID. And then we send our friend request. And then view our friend request. While I'm playing the game, if I want to invite my friends and call them so we could talk about Unicorn Blue, I can call one of my friends. My friend will receive the call, and we can even add a third person. And all three of us can play and talk together.